Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, AWS has provided a new interactive interface to build generative AI applications, which is very easy to use. Let's check it out. So you can go to the PartyRock.AWS and click on build your own app. So this will allow us to create an app with just a single prompt. So what kind of app I want to create, I just need to provide a description. So as a prompt, I have given an app which acts as a Canada immigration consultant and answer user queries. So I'll click on generate app. In the background, it is using the cloud large language model, and we can change whatever as per our feasibility and as per our availability. We can tweak which model I want to use in the background. So okay, it has created my application. Canada Immigration Advisor. Welcome, I'm Anna, your friendly virtual immigration consultant. Ask me anything about immigrating to Canada. I'll do my best to help. So guys, you can see I can post my question here and it will give me the answer here. And suppose I want to have a conversation like a chat, so I can do it in this conversation window. So you can see we have three widgets. One is question widget, another one is answer widget, and third one is the chat widget. If I want to add some extra widget in this app, so I can go to the edit, add some extra widget. Suppose I want to have some user input, some extra user input, so I can just say city in which I want to immigrate, or in which I want the advice from the immigration consultant. I'll save it. Okay, so this is my user input which I have to give, and I can just make it small or large according to the widget size, whatever I want. Okay, I can drag this widget to upwards so that I can make this apps looking somewhat like interactive to the user. Okay, if I want to create another widget, so I have different options like image generation, so let me select that. Okay, so you can see I have to give the name of the widget. I'll give picture of the city. Okay, and there should be an image description which should take some dynamic value from the different widgets. So you can see it has by default it has picked up an image of the city. So whatever I give the name of the city here, it will pick it from here and generate the image for that. I'll just save it. I do not want anything else. Okay, so let's just test it out. Okay, so I suppose I want to select Montreal. Okay, so it will generate the picture of Montreal here. And in the meantime, I can pose my questions. So the questions I have posed is, what are the different ways I can get PR in Canada? So let me see what it is generated. So it is generating some response for us, which will be beneficial. And I have seen that this is the picture widget. If I'll just expand it, it will show me the picture of Montreal, because we have given Montreal as an input. I think this picture looks pretty cool. Okay, so let me go and see some other responses from it. So I have asked the question, what are the different ways I can get PR in Canada, and it has given me a lot of different options. Okay, so if I want to have a conversation with it, I can have a conversation with it like how I can get admission in University of Toronto. So I have asked the question how I can get an admission in the university. So I'll see that it will provide me some options here.
Thanks for watching my video, guys. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel for more such educational content. Until next time.